One of the most common questions I get asked by people on workers' compensation is, can I get a lump sum payout? Which is why I want to highlight lump sum workers' compensation payouts and hopefully help you determine whether you're eligible. Suffering a serious work injury can take an extraordinary physical and emotional toll on your health. Constantly having to tell your story to your health professionals and your case officers can leave you feeling like there's no end in sight, or because you may not be aware of your entitlements, like the potential to make a lump sum claim. There are essentially two lump sum claims you may be able to make after sustaining a work injury: a lump sum for permanent impairment and work injury damages. Firstly, let's take a look at permanent impairment. This is a lump sum amount awarded to an injured worker who has sustained a serious injury and is in addition to weekly payments and any medical or related expenses. In order to qualify for a lump sum payout for permanent impairment, you need to be assessed as having at least 11% whole person impairment. What is whole person impairment? It's just a scale that doctors use to measure the permanent damage the accident has caused you. How is a permanent impairment lump sum calculated? This is calculated on a scale based on your whole person impairment result. Each whole person impairment result matches up to a figure which is the payout amount. For example, if you're assessed at the minimum of 11%, you'll receive $24,580. Alternatively, if you're assessed as having 75% whole person impairment or more, you'll receive a lump sum payout of $631,370. The second lump sum claim you could be eligible to make is for work injury damages. This lump sum claim is awarded for the economic loss that you suffer as a result of your injury and includes past and future loss of wages and lost superannuation. In order to be eligible to make a lump sum claim for work injury damages, you have to meet the following criteria. The injury was a result of your employer's negligence, and you must have at least 15% permanent impairment. Can you make a lump sum claim for both permanent impairment and work injury damages? The answer is yes, if you're eligible. You can make two lump sum claims once you've been assessed as having at least 15% whole person impairment. As you can see, workers' compensation payout amounts for lump sums can be significant, but they can also be extremely difficult to navigate. So it's best to speak to a specialist workers' compensation lawyer, even if just for free advice, in order to understand all your options. Hopefully, this information has been helpful to you. But if you're still unsure about workers' compensation lump sum claims, or need help with your claim, call Law Partners and have a confidential conversation with one of our specialist workers' compensation lawyers today.